Well, here we are out at Orman Dam in South Dakota, right outside of Belle Fouche. Beautiful area. We're gonna head out here, pop some holes, see if we can mark some fish. First time we've ever been here, so we'll see how it works. It's pointing you in the direction. Well, here we go. Well, we got clear water. I don't know what that noise is, but it can stop anytime. 23 feet. Seeing a little flickering on the bottom. Well, we fished this for about an hour. We marked a few fish, had a couple small bites, but we're gonna go try to find a different spot that has more structure. Well, we tried one main lake point that was right here. It's called Rocky Point. Now we're going up here to this point. Looks like a little deeper water. See how it goes. Well, it's been a long day so far. We haven't marked really anything yet. Tried a couple different spots. We finally found some 30 feet of water, so we're gonna see how it goes. I just had a mark. Well, I didn't have my camera on. I just caught about a 7-inch walleye. Not really what we were hoping for, but shoot, I'll take a fish. Hopefully we can mark some more. We just moved into this 30 feet of water and caught one right away, so hopefully we'll catch some more. Yep. Yeah, dude, I didn't get skunked. Buckshot. I'm marking another one. Couple more. Oh, missed him. Say that again? Oh my gosh, dude, that thing is a minnow. Holy cow. Tiny little guy. Oh geez. Well, we've caught two tiny little guys. Hopefully a little bigger fish move in. Yeah, I was actually fine catching 7-inch walleye. I moved to this hole and I'm marking. Yeah. Yeah, marking on the bottom. Just gonna keep hole hopping. He hit it. Yeah, missed him. It was a bigger mark too. Marking? He hit mine. They left my hole, Zach.
Yeah, I just marked one. Marking them over here.
Are ya? All right. All right. How does he feel?
Pretty big, heavy. Heavy as fish.
Then that 5-inch walleye you caught? Oh wow. Oh my gosh, look at that crappie. That thing is huge, man. That is a very nice South Dakota crappie.
Monster.
All the way to your elbow almost. My goodness. That's fun right there.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Worth coming over here for. Just knowing that them honkers are in there.
That'd make a good
Borderline trophy. Oh, I'm marking.
I told you. I lost my bait and he's coming to you.
Got him. No. About a 4-inch walleye. Oh geez, what a big one. Sad to say, that was quite a bit smaller than my first one.
Well, hey, we caught fish today.
Yep.
That's fucking awesome.
Always nice catching fish at a new body of water that you've never been to. And only having a half day, you know?
Right.
Where's these bigger walleyes at though? Here it comes. Big mark down there. Do I not have bait on or what? There's one. There's a nice fish. There we go. This is a nicer fish right here. Oh yeah. All right. Decent walleye here. Not huge, but good looking fish. I'll tell you what, it's good to see this fish right here. See you, bud. Gone. And then I go and mess my pole up because I'm so excited. So bloody excited. Come on, pole. Man. Zach, come and get in this hole. There's a fish right there on bottom. Oh, here comes one. Oh, yeah, nice. All right. Yes, he came up and slammed it, dude. There was no doubt about it. Yeah. Another walleye. About the same size. A little too small to eat, but man, when they hit it like that, that is fun. See you, bud. What, I gotta move holes and come back before I can catch another fish? Got one. Got a nice one. Oh yeah. All right. There's a nice one, bud. Choked it. Nice walleye right there. Yeah. This is probably 18. All right. Beautiful walleye out here at Orman Dam. See you, bud. He's out of here.
Did it and did it, did it, did it and did it, did it, did it, did it, did it, did it, did it and did it, did it, did it and did it, did it, did it.